Today I will be introducing Linuo Photovoltaic High-Tech's new module series, the LNMH144-525-550W. This series features 6 models with a maximum power output of 550 watts and a peak efficiency of 21.28%. Each module in this series is composed of 144 half-cut monocrystalline cells, which are more efficient compared to traditional full-size solar cells. Cutting a standard solar cell in half reduces its area, lowering electrical resistance and increasing the amount of power that the cell generates. These models also incorporate multi-busbar technology, meaning that each module features 10 bus bars instead of the standard 5 or 6. This decreases the distance which generated current must travel, additionally improving panel efficiency. Not only that, a high reflectance circuit design for these bus bars also means that the front of the panel is less shaded, allowing the solar cells to receive more sunlight. An anti-reflective and self-cleaning glass surface further improves the panel's ability to absorb as much sunlight as possible, and we've made sure that our modules are able to operate with this high efficiency under a wide range of environments. Rigorous testing in high ammonia and salt mist conditions make sure that these modules are suitable for outdoor installations even in these adverse conditions. We've also subjected the modules to electroluminescence testing, not once, but twice. This allows us to detect and fix any micro cracks in the solar panel with close to 100% accuracy, removing the threat of a serious micro crack compromising the performance of our system. We stand by the quality of our product by offering both a 12-year materials and workmanship warranty, along with a 25-year 83.1% linear power output warranty. Need further assurance that our product can continue working for you for a long time? The module series has also received numerous industry certifications, including the IEC 61215, IEC 61730, TÜV, CE, and so on. Finally, if we've succeeded in piquing your interest, here is how our modules are packed and shipped to you. We can fit 31 pieces into a single pallet, which works out to a total of 622 modules in a 40-foot high cube container. Linuo Photovoltaic High-Tech Group was founded in 2002, which makes us one of the first solar module developers and manufacturers in China. Today, our products can be found in more than 30 countries, from places like Germany and Japan to Brazil and South Africa. Our current annual production capacity stands at 2 gigawatts for solar modules, and we've continued to focus on technological innovation and quality control as we strive to constantly improve our products.